You are not an accident. You are not here by chance. That mother and that father that you have are given to you by God. This is the principle of providence. God knew and planned and ordained everything that was going to happen to you. This is what Psalm 139 says. All the days ordained for me were written in your book before one of them came to be.
I think for me the issue is it right to use the cells of aborted fetuses? Some people argue that since the fetus has already been aborted, far better to use the cells for positive purposes. I think there are dangers with that, and I think that there's a very thin line there, and scientists need to be very careful they don't cross that line and start killing life or taking life in order to save life.
How do you think the scientists should be guided?
I think for scientists, the overriding concern is the science and how to develop and grow and expand their knowledge of scientific issues. Scientists are very keen to get the funding for embryonic stem cell research because there is the possibility of them actually almost becoming embryo farms, actually producing embryos for purposes of research and almost selling them like commodities eventually. And so the stuff that I was reading was suggesting that that scientists in general are not making enough of adult stem cell research because ultimately there can be more profit to be made in embryonic stem cell research. So maybe there's more to come from adult stem cell research than has been adequately explained so far.